Welcome to Bizplay. In this video, I will show you how to add your own data ticker. From the dashboard, open the Pages panel. Click on Add to add a new page. Rename it. And click on Edit to continue to the Page Designer. From here, click on the My Data app to add it to the page. Under Lines of Text, you can enter your own messages or data in the text field. Let's use this text as an example. When you reload the data, you can see that each message is shown individually. Now you can also set the messages to a multi-line layout. For that, select Online starting with asterisk. And add the asterisk to the messages you want to display on a new page. Line 1 and 2 are now displayed as one message, as well as line 3 and 4. We can also split the text in columns by selecting the semicolon. Add the semicolon between the text you want to display in columns. Now, when you reload the messages, you see that they're now displayed in columns. A quick tip, you can resize the column by pressing the Shift key and hovering and clicking left on the columns to resize it. It is also possible to display the text and columns in a ticker. Go to the Style settings and select the ticker. When we reload the messages, you can see they are now displayed as a ticker. Additionally, you can format the column text. For example, line 1 displayed as bold text and line 2 displayed as normal text. But you can also choose to use a custom format by placing the text in asterisks for italic text and 2 asterisks to display bold text. You can also add text between the columns, for example, an equal sign. When we reload the ticker, you can see the messages are now displayed in our custom format. Last but not least, you can also use external data sources. To add an external data source, click on the Data Source settings. Let's add an external file by pasting the web address or link to the text file. When you reload the messages, you see that the messages from the new data source appear. You can also connect the Data app to your Dropbox account and OneDrive account. Simply select Dropbox file as data source and click on the plus icon to connect your account. This process works the same for adding a OneDrive file. After adding your data, click on Save and Back, and that's it.